So I've had the hiccups for about 5 minutes now, and I thought, hey, why don't I start recording something, and then they'll just stop. Because hiccups don't show up when you're talking to someone or when someone wants to see them. I always say, hey, show me your hiccups. And then the person can't. Now I keep hiccuping silently. Usually it's a squeaky squeak. A squeaky squeak. Yeah. That was one. That was a hiccup. See if I can do another. I'll show you. Hold on. Hiccup. Let's see if I can do one more. There we go. Okay. Oops, 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 oops. No more!